Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super useful topic: how to transfer BNB from your Phantom wallet to Exmo in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step guide will make the process smooth and hassle-free. BNB, or Binance Coin, is a popular cryptocurrency, and Phantom wallet is a secure way to hold it, while Exmo is a reliable exchange for trading. By the end of this video, you'll be transferring like a pro. First things first, make sure you have your Phantom wallet set up on your device and that you have some BNB in it. Also, ensure you have an account on Exmo and that it's verified. Security is key in crypto. To start, open your Phantom wallet app or extension. Navigate to the BNB asset in your wallet dashboard. If you don't see BNB, you might need to add it as a custom token, but in 2025, most wallets support it natively. Next, head over to your Exmo account on their website or app. Go to the deposit section, select BNB, and generate a deposit address. This is crucial. Copy this address carefully to avoid any mistakes. Now, switch back to Phantom wallet. Click on the Send button for your BNB balance. Paste the Exmo deposit address into the recipient field, enter the amount you want to transfer, and double-check everything. Remember, crypto transactions are irreversible, so accuracy is everything. Before confirming, review the network fees. In 2025, with blockchain improvements, fees might be lower, but always factor them in. Hit send, and you'll get a confirmation prompt. Approve it with your wallet password or biometrics. Once the transaction is broadcasted, it usually takes a few minutes to a couple of hours to reflect on Exmo, depending on network congestion. A quick tip: always use the correct network. BNB should be on the Binance Smart Chain. If you're new, enable notifications on both platforms to track your transfer. And there you have it. You've successfully transferred BNB from Phantom to Exmo. If you run into any issues, check the official support pages. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more crypto tips, and I'll see you in the next video.